Hello, welcome to Kitchen Hub. Today we are reviewing the 5-in-1 Signature Food Processor. A food processor is a versatile electric appliance that allows you to prepare all sorts of food in a variety of ways. This food processor can easily chop, slice, grind, and make purees. This food processor comes with a blending jar, which has a capacity of 1.25 liters, has a chopper cup, which has a capacity of 250 grams. We also have a mincer, which has a capacity of 100 grams. The grind has a capacity of 100 grams, but its recommended grinding capacity is 50 grams. The other main part of this 5-in-1 food processor is the juicer. Comes with a residue jar and a push stick. Turn clockwise to remove it. This is the motor unit. Has a pulse function and a 2-speed function. Its rated power is 400 to 500 watts. To unlock, turn clockwise and remove your chopper. The grinder is suitable for grinding dry food such as nuts, soybeans, walnuts, cashew nuts, and such. This is the chopper, has 2 blades. You need to use high speed for hard fruits such as an apple or a pear. This 5-in-1 signature food processor only comes in one color, which is white. To get this 5-in-1 signature food processor, call the number on your screen. I hope you find this video useful. Check out our next video.